What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canario Game. We're continuing our tutorial in JavaScript, and we're going to be talking about primitive data types. So there's a few that we're going to be talking about tonight, or today, or whatever the time you're watching this video, but I'm recording this video at nighttime. All right, let's start. So we're going to be talking about, first, we have numeric, a string, booleans, null, undefined. So let's see the numerics. Numeric. So when we talk about numerics, we have actually, they're going to be numbers, they're going to be integers. For example, we're going to have bar, what to say, well, let's do numbers, or number, equals to 1. Also, we can talk about integers. Which is going to be maybe like 6.975, whatever number it is. Also, we can talk about negative numbers that you can use as a variables. So let's do minus 1. And also you can have negative integers. Same number right there, but it's going to be negative. Also, yeah, here, let's talk about now about strings. Yeah, how do you do the strings? On the strings, JavaScript handles letters and symbols. Also, we can reference by calling them words and sentences. So for example, we get a bar. So let's see, what do we write down? Word. Let's do a word. Usually for this, when you talk about a string, when you're defining a string, you have to wrap the string with single quotation or double quotations. For example, word, what will be the word? Today is Sunday. Always finish with the semicolon. Or also you can use let's put call. Single quotation right there. Today is a cold day here in Utah. Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty quick. So now let's go to the next one. We can also do booleans. Let's talk about booleans. So when we talk about, when JavaScript handles booleans, is the binary pair for true and false. So we get bar. What do we do? Let's give it a name. A bar. My car is old, which is true, right? For this, we don't need a quotation, because JavaScript, this true and false, like the booleans, are commands that JavaScript already understands. It's being understood by the browser. I mean, let's try to say. Let's do bar cold day. Cold day today. Let's put false. It wasn't a cold day today. Yeah. Cool beans. Yeah, that's about booleans. There's not too much to say. So let's go to the next one. Let's do a null. Data type null. When do we use null? We use null when there is the absence of a values, when the value doesn't have, instead of using undefined, you just gonna give it when it's empty. Like for example, var empty, so you can use null. That's it. That's it. Now the next data type and the last one that we're going to talk about, what I'm doing, it's going to be undefined. This is basically when the value when the variable doesn't have a value. You know, for example, as we were talking about early, or like in the other tutorial, when we did a, you know, that's undefined because there's no value. You can do anything. You know, sum, that's undefined. Bar B, that's undefined. Yeah. Cool beans. So that was pretty much about the primitive data types, and hopefully you guys can help you in your journey. So like the video, subscribe, and we need to have more subscribers in the channel. And thanks. Have a good night. Bye.